Good morning, guys. So I'm in Laredo, Texas, and I want to show you a nice bridge. More bridges, one on top of each other. So stay tuned to see some bridges, one on top of each other. Stay tuned.
Use the left lane to take
Laredo,
the
sorry,
on the
Laredo.
left toward I-35.
Excuse me. So now I'm going to go up in the sky.
Use the left lane to take the I-69 west ramp.
Watch me. I'm close to the border with Mexico. I was like
Keep right to I-35.
closer than 1 kilometer away from the border with Mexico. Loading avocados for Cambridge, Toronto. Not Cambridge, UK. Cambridge, Canada. So, look. Nice bridge. It's like a roller coaster. Roller coaster bridge. I supposed to record this from the other side when I saw it. Looks more spectacular from below. From above, yeah, it's nice. Look now I'm going to go fast.
Merge onto I-69 west, US 59, then take the I-35 exit. Be in the right lane.
Now again, another one.
Take the I-35 exit.
Another roller coaster bridge. This is more spectacular. I think this one I saw it when I was going the other way.
Keep left to I-35. Take the ramp to I-35.
Yeah. In this point there are maybe 5 bridges, one on top of each other, and I'm on the highest one.
Keep left to I-35.
The sun, it's a little powerful, but look, this is the roller coaster bridge that I wanted to show you actually. The other one it was just his baby. I'm high in the sky now, really high. I don't know how high, I don't want to know. I don't want to know how high I am. Look down and see. So this is what the US is about, infrastructure. They have nice infrastructure. Roller coaster bridge, this is the one. I was on the roller coaster with avocados, full load, almost maximum weight allowed. I'm 79,100 pounds. 80,000 is the maximum
In 4 miles,
weight
take exit 12B
that I'm
on the
allowed
right
with the
toward
truck.
Carrier Drive.
So let me know what's your opinion about the roller coaster bridge that I just was on. Like, subscribe to see more interesting things and sometimes dangerous, because that's the word. So take care, like, subscribe and comment. Tell me what you are thinking about see you. Take care.